In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair the Tribit StormBox Micro portable wireless speaker, this, to a smartphone. First of all, make sure that Bluetooth on your smartphone is turned on. I'm going to do just that. I'm going to do the Bluetooth settings page and turn it on. I'm going to stay here for a while. Now back to the portable wireless speaker. There's a power button over here. I'm going to turn it on. There, you heard that. Now some LED lights are blinking. Nothing really seems to be happening. Now this light is blinking. That's all we can see. Let's check our smartphone and see what we get there. So over here, I'm going to refresh this page again, and I'm getting a Tribit StormBox Micro option over here. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on pair. You heard that tone, which means that this particular device is now paired with the smartphone. I'm going to play some music and demonstrate the sound. That's it. This is how you pair the Tribit StormBox Micro portable wireless speaker to a smartphone. Thank you for watching.